Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see no rate limit on OTP verify, which will lead to an account takeover. So in this video, we are going to send X number of simultaneous requests to the server, and the server is going to act on each of our requests that we have sent it. Thus, by sending large number of X requests of the OTP token, we can successfully guess the right password or token. So here, no validation or limiting the request and taking the decisions is very dangerous. So now it's the practical time, and let's see the practical. So I'm going to perform this practical on a live website, which is limeroad.com. On this website, I'm going to go quickly in sign in option, and I'm going to enter my phone number. After I put my phone number and press next, the application is going to send a OTP onto my mobile phone. I have kept a OTP that is 1234, which is obviously a wrong OTP. I have captured the request in Burp suite, and I have did do intercept response to this request because I want to see the response of this request. Now I will right click and send this request to repeater so I can use it later on. I will just do go, and you can see the response of this request is status fail, error message, please enter the correct OTP, because this was the wrong OTP. 1234 is wrong. Yes. So I have come to know that this is the wrong OTP, but I have captured the request of verification. So it is not in my intruder tab. Okay, so I'm going to send this request again to the intruder tab. I will just go into intruder. I will go in positions, and I'm going to set a position. First, I will clear everything, click on the OTP value, add, and then I'm going to choose numbers, and I'm going to choose the values of OTPs from 6545 to 6560. For proving this vulnerability, I'm going to test 16 OTP values. I will just go on options tab and put some throttle in between so the server does not think that this is a DDoS attack happening, or the IDS IPS do not start alerting the admin. I will just go down in grep match, and I'm going to clear everything first, and I'm going to add this please enter correct OTP into the grep match field. After adding this successfully, I will start the attack. As you can see, the first request, which contains the OTP 6545, has matched this response, which means this is the wrong OTP. In the response, you can see it is please enter the correct OTP. It is matching this, which means this is wrong. So now we are going to wait for the right OTP to appear here. Again, for this application, I tested with 500 OTPs and it was working fine. The application did not perform any type of no rate limit. As you can see, we have already found out a OTP which is missing this please enter correct OTP value. As you can see in the response, it is guessed false and some cookies has been generated. So I'm going to use this OTP, that is 6557, onto the website. And I'm going to hit verify. As you can see, I have successfully logged in into the application. So here we came to know the application is vulnerable to no rate limit attack on OTP, as well as the application allowed the same OTP twice. Our intruder tested the OTP once. We again reused the OTP to log in. which means the application allows simultaneous times login with the same OTP. Let me just go to my profile section to verify that I am logged in into the application. As you can see, this is my profile. Let me just go to settings and click on edit profile. This is my phone number. I hope you guys understood how to perform this attack. Thank you.